morning! We are on the way to Golden Belt. The road is almost deserted. You may already know Friday and Saturday are the weekends in Saudi Arabia, and we are still in Ramadan. Most people still in their beds this time, 10 a.m. This is the main road of Golden Belt District. It is the Beverly Hills of Saudi Arabia. The rich and famous people reside in this place. Look out on the houses. Look at the houses. These are palaces, mostly Arab and European design. There are also some with modern design. Let me find the parking. Come with us. Let's have a walk in their park.
Morning guys, it's Friday again. As usual, morning exercise kami ni Master Corex. Dito kami ngayon sa lugar ng mga mayayamang mga tao dito sa Saudi Arabia. First time namin magawi sa lugar na ito. And tahimik dahil Ramadan pa din. So, bira yung mga sasakyan. Kaya sinamantala namin ni Master Corex na maglakad-lakad dito.
Namumulaklak na ang kanilang dates. In 3 to 4 months, sinog na ang mga bunga niyan. European style ang design ng mga street lights pala dito. Na kami guys, tingnan nyo mga pader ng bahay dito. Bakod pa lang, mas mahal pa kaysa sa bahay ko sa Pilipinas.
Stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When every day life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking to leave.